In a dusty village hidden between two hills lived a girl named Sana. She was not famous, she was not rich, she was not even noticed, but her heart was made of quiet gold. Sana was the middle child, not the eldest to get attention, not the youngest to be spoiled. She was just there. Every day she did everything. She cleaned the floors before sunrise. She packed her brother's school bags. She massaged her mother's legs at night. She cooked, cleaned, served, and stayed silent. No one asked her how she was. No one remembered her birthday. No one praised her food, but they always complained if salt was missing. Her uncle once said in front of guests, "She's not smart like her brother or pretty like her sister, but at least she helps." And everyone laughed. Sana didn't. She just smiled, a small, tired smile. Because what do you say when even your family forgets you feel things? But Sana had a secret. At night, when everyone slept, she sat near the tiny window of her room and wrote in an old notebook. Not poems, not stories. She wrote letters to herself. Dear Sana, you matter. Even if they don't see it now, you are not invisible. You are preparing. One day, they'll know. One day, a social worker came to their village. She was starting a small tailoring center for girls. Sana wanted to go, but her mother laughed and said, "You, learning stitching? Who will cook while you're gone?" Her father didn't look up from his newspaper. Girls like you don't need dreams, just responsibilities. That night, Sana cried. Not because she couldn't go, but because they didn't even ask her what she wanted. But the next morning, something changed. She woke up before everyone, finished all the chores, and walked out. Without permission, she reached the center and joined the class. The teacher said, "What's your name?" She said softly, "Sana." Then louder, "My name is Sana." That was the first time Sana said her name with pride. She learned to stitch. At first the lines were crooked, the fabric tore, the needle pricked her fingers. But she kept going. Every day after housework she ran to class. Months passed. She stitched her first proper dress, a simple cotton kurti with blue flowers. She wore it to the market. A lady saw it and asked, "Where did you buy this?" Sana said shyly, "I made it." The woman smiled. "Can you make one for me?" And that was her first order. One order became two became 10. Soon her small room became a mini workshop. Her parents were shocked. Her mother said, "Where did you learn this?" Sana replied, "The place you said I didn't need to go." But she didn't say it with anger. She said it with calm strength. Now people knew her. Sana, the girl who stitched dreams with her own hands. She didn't need a stage. She didn't need loud applause. She just needed a chance. And when no one gave it, she gave it to herself. Today she teaches 14 other girls in her village. Girls who were also ignored, underestimated, forgotten. Sana is still quiet, still kind. But now she's never invisible. Because she knows one truth. Silence doesn't mean weakness, and kindness is not a license for cruelty. She wasn't born to only serve others. She was born to shine, too. So if you ever feel like Sana, if you feel like you're unseen, unheard, unwanted, remember her story. Don't wait for someone to clap for you. Clap for yourself. Stand up once. Speak your name loudly once. That's all it takes. Vocabulary and meaning. Invisible, not seen or noticed. Example, Sana felt invisible in her own home. Permission, allowing someone to do something. Example, she left the house without permission. Tailoring, stitching, or making clothes. Example, she joined a tailoring class. Unnoticed, not recognized or acknowledged. Example, her efforts went unnoticed for years. Underestimated, thought to be less capable. Example, everyone underestimated her. Strength, inner power or courage. If this story touched your heart, if you saw even a little of yourself in Sana, then don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs a little hope. Subscribe to Moral Echo Tales for more real, raw, and relatable stories. Stories that whisper truth and echo change. We'll see you in the next story. Until then, take care and never forget your worth.